Pines, partly cloudy. Temperature 75 degrees. Wind, east at 9 miles an hour. At Pompano Beach, partly cloudy. Temperature 77 degrees. Wind, northeast at 6 miles an hour. At West Palm Beach, partly cloudy. Temperature 77 degrees. Wind, northeast at 7 miles an hour. Some observations around the state. At Key West, clear. Temperature 76 degrees. Wind, northeast at 12 miles an hour. At Naples, clear. Temperature 75 degrees. At Fort Myers, clear. Temperature 76 degrees. At Jacksonville, partly cloudy. Temperature 76 degrees. At Tallahassee, clear. Temperature 74 degrees. At Orlando, partly cloudy. Temperature 77 degrees. At Tampa, clear. Temperature 74 degrees. Marine observations. The Miami climate summary for this evening, as of 4 p.m., November 15, 2025. Today's high temperature of 81 degrees occurred at 2:42 p.m. This tied the normal high of 81. The record high is 88 degrees, which was set in 2008. Today's low temperature of 66 degrees occurred at 6:37 a.m. This low was 2 degrees below the normal low of 68. The record low is 44 degrees, which was set in 1975. No precipitation fell today, which leaves the monthly total at 0.17 inches. This is 1.83 inches below the normal amount of 2.00 inches for November. There were no heating degree days today, and there were 9 cooling degree days today.